Have you ever wondered how much information you can learn in just 3 minutes? Humans share 50% of their DNA with bananas. Random facts. The last one will shock you. Your brain uses about 20% of your body's total energy. The human nose can remember 50,000 different scents. I bet you that 90% of people watching this now are either lying down, barefoot, or on the toilet. Your stomach's digestive acids are strong enough to dissolve zinc, but your stomach lining prevents it from doing so. The world's population is expected to reach 9.7 billion people by 2050. The human eye can distinguish about 10 million different colors. On average, humans spend about 1/3 of their lives sleeping. Did you know that an octopus has 3 hearts? Yes, you heard it right. 3. Not 1, not 2, but 3. But that's just the beginning. Let's delve into a world teeming with fascinating, mind-boggling facts. Let's start by diving into the animal kingdom. For instance, a single elephant tooth can weigh as much as 9 pounds. Can you imagine that? And here's another one. The tongue of a blue whale is so enormous that 50 people could stand on it. 50. Now let's shift gears and venture into the realm of science. Did you know that a day on Venus is longer than a year on Earth? Or that honey never spoils? Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. And speaking of history, let's travel back in time. Did you know that Napoleon Bonaparte was actually taller than the average Frenchman of his time? Despite popular belief, he wasn't short at all. And here's another historical tidbit. The Great Wall of China is not, contrary to popular belief, visible from space. Let's move on to some everyday facts that might surprise you. You know that little pocket in your jeans? It was originally designed for pocket watches. And speaking of time, did you know that we blink about 13 times every minute? That's nearly 10,000 times a day. Now let's take a look at some numbers. If you could fold a piece of paper 42 times, it would reach to the moon. But hold on, it gets even more mind-blowing. Did you know that there are more ways to arrange a deck of cards than there are atoms on Earth? And to wrap up, here's a fact that's truly out of this world. There are more stars in the universe than there are grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. Fascinating, isn't it? But we're not done yet. Let's rewind for a moment. Can you remember the 3-heart octopus? Yes, that's right. That fascinating creature with not 1, not 2, but 3 hearts. And let's not forget about the towering Everest, which grows taller by about 2 inches every year. We've also learned about the mysterious Venus, the only planet in our solar system to rotate clockwise. What about the human brain? It's more powerful than any supercomputer and can store a whopping 1 petabyte of information. Take a moment to let all these astounding facts sink in. From the depths of the ocean to the far reaches of space, from the peak of the highest mountain to the intricacies of our own bodies, we've journeyed through a spectrum of knowledge, all in the span of a few minutes. There you have it, a whirlwind of facts in just 3 minutes. Imagine what you could learn in a lifetime. Make sure you follow me because we will probably never meet again.